After you finish splicing, we can move on to Fighter Factory. So let's make the character folder where all the files will be stored. Go into your Mugen folder and make a backup copy of the Kung Fu Man 720 folder. Then store that backup folder anywhere else just in case you need to start over. It's not uncommon to screw up the first couple of times, so precautions are warranted. Go back into the characters folder, make a new folder, and give it the name of your character. You don't want it to be specifically the character's name, however, because that might prevent alternate versions of that character made by another creator from existing in the same Mugen game. If you were making Ganondorf, for example, you might call the folder Ganondorf TLOZ for The Legend of Zelda. After naming the folder, open up Fighter Factory. We're going to tell Fighter Factory to make the character files. The blue folder on the top left of the screen is for loading a character into Fighter Factory. Click on it. Navigate to your Mugen folder, then to the Characters folder, and then to your Kung Fu Man 720 folder. Click on the .def file. You'll see this page load into Fighter Factory. This is Kung Fu Man's .def file. .def stands for definitions, and you're currently looking at the .def file in the Definitions tab. In this Definitions tab, you'll see a section in brackets called Info, and below that another section in brackets called Files. In the Info section, you'll see name equals Kung Fu Man 720. This is going to be the name you gave your character folder. Remember to match it exactly. The display name is just what you see running in the Mugen engine. Be sure to change the name of your author to your online alias and just call the version 1.0. And put in the date and version date. In the Files section below, you'll see a bunch of file names at the end of the name KFM720. With the exception of the common 1CNS line, we'll need to replace the KFM720 with the name of the folder you gave your character. The last line, player.ai, you can just delete that entirely. Again, leave common 1 untouched. That is a file located in the Mugen folders and not in your character folder, and it is shared by every single Mugen character ever made. The last step is to now save your progress, but we don't want to save this for Kung Fu Man. Go to Project, Save As, and then navigate to your new characters folder. The files within the folder also need to be identical. Fighter Factory will now ask you which version of Mugen you're going to build a character for. As said in a previous video, choose Mugen 1.0. Fighter Factory will then have you save each file name in order, and you'll need to navigate to your character folder again for each file. Your new characters folder is now established. In the next video, we'll go over uploading sprites and importing your new sprite sheets palette map.